definitely one of the things you need to do in Phnom Penh.
But it's a big problem in many rivers now.
Yeah, because they take away too much. Guys, that's a problem. Is it good?
Yeah.
Press?
Oh, already.
Film already?
Yeah, go.
Guys, welcome to Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Today we are going on to an amazing boat trip. I guess amazing. Between Tonle Sap and Mekong. At least that's the lakes that's around here in Phnom Penh.
Not the Tonle Sap.
Not the Tonle Sap, the Basak and the Mekong. So we rent out the big boat, big river boat for like 1, 2, 3 hours. Cost around, I think, $30 per hour. And yeah, you can bring as many people as fits on it. Yeah, no friends, so we are just a small group. But anywho, enjoying the sunset, which comes, I think, in the next hour or so. So stay tuned, guys. Oh, let's see how it goes, guys. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Me too, guys. Thank you.
Here we are, guys, at the pier. Let's go out. So here are all the boats, and I think you can book like boat tours. But for the price, we got a whole boat for ourselves, eh? Amazing, or not?
Amazing.
Hey guys, look, they have like all the numbers on the boat. So if you're here and you don't know how to get to these boats, yeah, I don't know, maybe there's online booking, but you just need to look at those boats, figure out the numbers there, yeah, and then call them and ask how much for a couple of hours, right?
Yeah, true.
So yeah, we're now just waiting to locate which one is our boat, and then we head there. I don't know how we get down there. Come look. This is the way down. So we will go down there. Look, we're in I don't know, which boat do you think it is?
I think the roughy one.
This one?
Yeah, no, the big one here, purple.
I think it's the purple. Let's go.
Woo!
Can you?
Yeah. So
Is the boat getting smaller?
oh yeah. Hello.
Our boat, eh?
Let's go upstairs.
Let's go, guys.
It's moving.
Yeah. And we will drive there, make a big turn, come round. And the whole trip will take around 3 hours. So yeah, I'm excited. We got some picnic stuff out there, I told you already. So we're gonna eat, enjoy the sun, and hope for a nice sunset, which is a little bit sad because as you can see today, it's very cloudy. It's very cloudy. Birds everywhere. Yeah. Follow the finger, bro. Then you have this amazing scenery here of the lake. Here's the one part of Phnom Penh. Here's the other part of Phnom Penh. Big Carlsberg commercial. Couple of boats around, and yeah, it's just really cool experience. Sadly, like I said, doesn't seem like a great sunset. That's all what we got today. So yeah. But besides that, definitely one of the things you need to do in Phnom Penh. Let's see how it goes when it's dark. Some fisher boats here behind us, and if I understood correctly, I'm not 100% sure, they literally sleep on those boats, and then in the morning they go around fishing, and there's like a whole city of them. I don't know if the camera can capture it. Let me try. You see there, maybe I can zoom in later, there's like the whole row of them, and they basically live in those boats and then come out fishing here. It's really cool, really amazing. Oh, that's a big boat passing us. The Basak River, and that's the Mekong River.
Also the Royal Palace, they actually
And they combine
by
here.
last example of
They have a confluence
Aha.
coming together.
Okay.
When they go
When they go.
apart,
Yeah.
it's called bifurcation.
Okay. See, guys?
So
We learned something again today. Fried chicken, kale, liver, salad, rice. Mmm. It will drive here where the Mekong hits. Make a big turn around all the side there. And then basically drive back here. And we have a wonderful dinner. And then they make sand inside.
they are taking sand out
And what to do with the sand?
for construction.
Mmm. I see.
But it's a big problem in many rivers now.
Yeah, because they take away too much. So guys, middle of Mekong now. Now I'll show you some Timor-Leste food. You take one leaf, then take one tomato,
Mm-hmm.
take a little bit onion, put a little bit rice on top. Thank you. And then the magic is this sambal here.
That's not sambal.
What is the name?
It's just seasoning.
Seasoning. Then you roll it all together.
Thank you.
Mm.
Oh, Johanna, thank you.
Thank you. Malaysia. Hello, orang Cambodian.
We all go.
Guys, that's a problem. You see, like all these plants here, they go all the way to the Mekong there, and they are cloaking the river. Guys, there, I don't know if you can see it. So there's basically the city Phnom Penh. And if you want to get over, there's no bridge here currently over the Mekong. You have to get on one of those boats that basically bring you over. Sounds stressful, to be honest. Guys, it's so pretty here. Really, the color, I don't know if it gets over here in the video, but the colors are so amazing. It's like this golden hour, but a little bit like dizzy, grainy. I don't know how to, like, it's a bit smoky, but it's very beautiful, honestly. Like loads of people live here. Amazing. Guys, this is just pretty. We have boats here, we have the Mekong River, we have children have fun, we have the big city on the other side. So we're gonna relax here, listen music, eat a little bit more, drink a couple of beers more maybe. The sun is going down, it's getting dark, too dark for the camera. So I'm gonna say bye now. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you ever come to Cambodia, to Phnom Penh, this is definitely one of the highlights you should do. And yeah, don't forget to bring nice food. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe. You know the game. Bye bye. Bye boat. Bye bye. That was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're back, going home. Have a good sleep. See you next time. Ja gut. Ciao.